in this video you will learn how I have created the student login page. This page is similar to the registration page which I have explained in the previous video. So this is how the login page looks like. So when I click on login button in the navigation bar, it will take me to the login page, and in the login page there are two buttons, registration and login. So if I click on login, it will go to the login page. Now on the login page there is a home button, then a heading which says login and two input fields and a login button. So if I click on login on the home button, it will go back to the home page. Then again I have to go click on the login button. Then the input fields are username and password. So these are the labels, and inside the input field, enter username and enter password are the values for placeholder attribute. So let's see the code for it. So this is the code for login page. So as I said, it is similar to the registration page. Inside the body tag, body opening and closing tag, I have written the button tag which is for the home button, and I have given the path of index.html page. So if I click on home button, it will go back to the home page, that is the index file. So this is the code for it. Then I have used two BR tags to move to the next line. Then there's a heading which says login. Then I've written a form opening tag, and inside form opening and closing tag there's a div with class container. Then two labels with values username and password, and then two input fields, and finally a login button. So this is the HTML code. Now the styling part is over here. Inside the style, opening and closing tag, which is in the head section. So for body tag I have used two properties. Then I have styled the login class, form tag, input tag, container class, and the home class. So I've used these classes somewhere in the HTML file. So this is the outcome of it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.